Hi there. In this video I'm going to show you how to add my computer, your documents, so user files, control panel, my network if you want to your desktop in Windows 11. By default it comes, as you can see, without them. You go to the Start menu, go to Settings, Personalization, Teams, Desktop icon settings, and in here you can see them all. By default we only have recycle bin. And OK, close this, and voila, we have all of them like Windows used to have them by default. So that's about it for this video. Hope it helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.